Cindy, do you have a question? What is your question?
Like 4 and a 3 makes 5.
4 and 3 makes 7. But let's go on and we're going to start our lesson. So, first of all, I want you to look up here and I'm going to ask you guys some questions. So, do we know, let me get my little pointer. What color is this?
Red.
Awesome. What color is
Orange.
orange? What color is this?
Green.
Green. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, so we know our colors. Okay.
Except
So-
purple.
Oh, purple is up there. I thought that was blue. So, and purple is? Purple.
Green.
Right. Okay. So, I'm going to ask you some questions. So, raise your hand if you guys know, okay? All right. So, what color is number 3 on?
Red.
I saw Hunter's hand go up first. So, we're raising our hands. Yes, Hunter. Red. Awesome. Okay. Now, next question. I'm going to call in somebody different, okay? What number is on green? Mason. Only Mason, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Very good. Okay.
I never had a
What? Because there's many kids in here, so you have to wait your turn, okay? What color is number 4 on? Jack.
Orange.
Orange. Good. All right. What number is on green? Easton. 5.
5
Okay.
degree.
Yep. All right. What number is on let's see. What number is on purple? Silas.
1.
So I called on Silas. So we're raising your hands. We're not blurting out. Yes, 1. Very good. Okay. Last question, and it's for Harold because Harold has not had a chance yet.
Okay.
What color is number 3 on?
Red.
Red. Yes. Very
That
good.
got it difficult.
So we have a pretty good idea of what our colors are and what our numbers are. So we are going to be building off that. So I'm going to be giving you guys connecting cubes here, and you have 2 different colors. One color is brown, one color is green. There's different colors. So I want you guys to follow my directions when I give these out, okay? But right now we're going to watch a fun little video, and you guys can sing along if you want, all right? All right, here we go.
No, it's not that. Wait, it's fake stuff.
Is it?
Oh, it's clap your hands.
Yeah, it is clap your hands.
Oh, it's funny to
No. Here we go. We're going to...
How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers on 2 hands? How many fingers on 2 hands? How many fingers on 2 hands? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands with me. Let's count our toes. How many toes on one foot? How many toes on one foot? How many toes on one foot? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many toes on 2 feet? How many toes on 2 feet? How many toes on 2 feet. Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Tap your feet.
Okay, I'll put my
Stomp,
blue.
stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your
Now
feet.
stop stomping. So Hunter, back to your desk, please.
Stomp
Stand your
your
desk.
feet with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Take a seat.
6,
Ethan, please.
7, 8,
Oh, that's who it
9,
was.
10.
All right. Good.
That who that guy was.
Who is that guy?
It's the purple.
That purple guy. All right. So how many hands are on, or how many fingers are on one hand? Raise your hand.
Five.
Ethan, how many fingers are on two hands?
1, 2, 5, 6, 7,
Easton.
10.
10. Yes. So how many toes are on one foot? Silas?
5.
5. How many toes are on 2 feet, Jack?
10.
10. So we got 10 fingers and 10 toes, right? So 5 and 5 make
20.
yeah, no, 10 and 10 make 20. So
Yeah.
if we counted 10 fingers
So we
plus 10 toes, it would be 20 altogether.
Yeah. 10 toes.
Okay, so let's take a seat. All right, so we are going to find ways to use different numbers to make 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I'm going to give you these connecting cubes. And before you open them, I'm going to give you directions.
Number 4.
Okay?
More cubes Oh, I got 5. I got 5. And I got 5 too. I got 5.
All right, are we ready
Yep.
to listen to directions? So what does that mean when we're listening to directions?
Be quiet.
Does that mean opening the bag? No, we're waiting. Okay, first thing I want you to do is get one color of your connecting cubes out. Get only one color out, please. Pick a color and get one color. Take all 6 out. You have 6 of one color. So if Easton picks pink, get all the pink out. Hunter's gonna choose blue. So get all your blue. Harold, get all the blue out.
my white. And I'm gonna get all the green.
Okay, Jack's getting all green. Mason's getting yellow, and you're getting. Okay, raise your hand if you have all your cubes out on your desk. So I know that. So I say raise your hand. Okay, Jack's ready. Silas. Okay. Waiting for Harold and Mason. Do you have? Okay, Mason. Okay, it looks like there's one more blue. Get another blue.
We have 6 of everything.
Yeah. So you need to get just one color out.
5, 6.
Okay. Now I want you to build towers. Towers.
Like, do we have to stack them?
Okay, but yeah. So I'm gonna use, I have mine too. So I'm gonna use yellow. So I want you to have 3 towers. One tower is going to be 1. So put one aside. Just one. Okay. The next tower is going to have 2. So that means you're gonna connect 2. So you should have 1 and you should have 2. Okay, Easton's done. So Silas, do you have this? You're gonna have 1,
Done.
and then you're gonna have another tower that has 2.
Done.
Okay, where's your 2? Okay, the next tower, which is your last 3, is gonna have 3 on it. So connect
But I can't have
the
used
last 3. So you're gonna have, again, 3 towers. You're gonna have 1 tower of 1, 1 tower of 2, and 1 tower of 3. I'm gonna go around and see if you have that. Okay, Easton, good. Where's your
I
towers?
do.
Okay, Silas, okay, keep your towers together. All right, there we go. I see 3 towers. How about you? Do you have?
Look at my stairs on
Okay, so you're gonna keep them together, and Mason has them. Okay, now I want you guys to. You guys have number cards. Get your number cards out, and I want you to lay them on your desk.
There's all of them.
There's three. There's three. So you're gonna lay them all down right on your desk.
Wait, I got wedding.
Everybody got the same.
I got
So
5.
lay them down in order.
After Fritz, it's probably
So what number comes first?
3,
Then,
4,
then
5,
5. So I'm gonna go around and see if we have our numbers on our desk.
Yay! Look, I got this many.
Okay. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna put my numbers down. Now, I'm gonna take my towers and I'm just going to choose a tower that it's gonna go on. So, doesn't matter. So you have 3 towers, you have 3 numbers. So put 1 tower on each number. Can you do that?
Done.
So go ahead and do that, okay? Just sit down and wait for directions, Silas.
Let me get hand if you're done.
All right, all hands are raised. Awesome. Okay, so here's the next step of this activity. Okay, set your linking cubes like right above your number here. Can you do that? So you can see the number 2. All right, so everyone, let's look at number 3. Everyone's gonna have something different, and that's okay. So we are going to make the number 3 out of our towers. So let me show you an example. How many linking cubes do I have?
1.
I have 1, but I need 3. So I need to get my orange linking cubes and make another tower. So I have 3. How many orange linking cubes do I need? Raise your hand, please.
2.
So it says, yes, Easton.
1 more.
Just 1 more to make 3?
2.
Well, how many do I have here then?
2.
I have 2. Is that 3 though?
No.
No. So how many more orange do I need to make 3? I already have 1.
But there's more.
So I need 2 more.
I don't got it.
So on my number 3, I'm going to have my 1 yellow, which I originally had, and I'm going to have my 2 orange.
I have 1.
And I want you to put it up. Good. You have 6 of the other color. Yes. So I have 1 yellow, 2 orange, and together these 2 towers make the number 3. Okay. So how many do you have here?
1, 2, 3.
No, we need 3. So what did you this goes on there. You had this. So how many more red do you need to make 3?
I did it.
2 more. So you already have 1 red, so stack your red. You're making towers. Stack your red. All right. So I'm going to come around and see what you have. Okay, Easton, perfect. Now look at number, okay, so this is here. Keep your numbers on your towers. Now do number 4. How many do you have and how many more do you need to get to 4?
2 more.
So where's, okay, how come you don't have these out? So these stay on your numbers. Keep these on your numbers. How many do you have here, Silas? 3. How many more do you need? How many more brown ones do you need to get to 3? If you already have 3. Is that going to give you 3? No, it's not. So do you need any more? You don't. So 3 is complete. Now let's look at 4. How many do you have? How many more do you need to get to 4? Stack your brown cubes there. Okay, so Hunter, I need you to be patient. Okay, let's see. Good. All right, 1, 2, 3. Now go ahead. How many more do you need here to get to 4? Okay, so you need to get these out. So you have 3 here, right? So do you need any more here to make 3? No, how come? Yes, because you already have 3. So this one is complete. So what about this one, number 4? You only have 2, so how many more brown do you need to add to this tower?
Complete.
Is it only 1? Count your cubes. Let's see how many you have. But what number is that? 4. So we need. Okay, let's see. All right, so let's do this one. So what number is this? What number is this?
5.
5.
So
You need 2 more on top of that.
2, 3, 4.
Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what number is this?
5.
5. And how many green do you have here? You only have 1. So how many more brown Lincoln cubes do you need?
5.
Yes. Okay, so let's see.
2.
We have 3 here.
And then
We got 4. We're not quite at 5 yet. So,
and
Harold, okay, so where's your other cube? 1 was supposed to stay on here. Okay, they stay on here. Now you're looking at these numbers.
5.
What number is this?
Did it.
3. And how many do you have here? Do we need to add any more to this? We don't need to add any more. So this one is complete. So, what number is this?
Mine complete.
4. How many do you have here?
Mine complete.
You only have 2, so we need to add, how many more do we need to add to that?
4.
4, but, because you already have 2, right?
It's just the same.
Just a minute.
4, 5. It's 2 more.
Yeah, good, just 2 more, very good. Now, once you're done with that one, I want you to
Because I
do this
can
one.
count from a
Yes.
mouse away.
All right,
Big mouse.
so I have 1, so it should be 2 towers, right? Because we originally had our 1 tower.
I can
So
count
2 and 2 is 4.
And this points is off.
You had 2 and 1 is 3. And I have 3.
1,
3
2,
doesn't make 5.
6,
All right, so you have
7.
3.
Wait, what? And 8.
Okay, so we're making
Yeah.
2 towers here. Should be like this.
Yeah, the same
2
there.
and 2 is 4, right?
Base.
Count for me.
Around it. Around.
Good. Now, how many? What number is this here, Silas?
5.
5. And how many do you have here?
1.
1. So how many more do you need there?
5, 3, 4.
Well, you don't need 5.
2.
So count your Lincoln cubes as you're doing that.
8. 9. There's 9 of them.
All right. Yes, you do have 5.
Is someone else here?
We do.
Going to calculate.
Okay. All right. So class, hands on head and eyes on me. If you're ready, say 1, 2, 3.
I mean,
Okay. Shh. Oh. What? Yes, you did it, Silas. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys a question, and I want you to raise your hand to answer. Okay. So how did you find how many more cubes you needed for each tower? Easton.
it's gonna be 2 more for the 4, and then 1 more for the 3, and then 2 more for the 5.
And then, oh, okay, so that's how you figured that out, right? And then did you count them, or did you just know by look? Did you have to count them?
Nope.
You didn't have to count them? Okay. Mason, how did you find out how many more cubes you needed to match your number?
Counted by doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Awesome. Very good. Okay, how about, let's see, how many more cubes did you place onto your tower? So how did you guys figure that out? Yes, Silas.
Because I counted them.
You counted them.
2, 3.
Good.
Makes 3.
Makes 3. How about your number 4? How did you do that?
2 and 2 equals 3.
2 and 2 equals, what number is this?
4.
4. So 2 and 2 equals 4. All right. Very good. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go on to our next activity here. So, let's see. We're going to make 2 number trains to match 4. So, grab your number 4 card. Grab your number 4 card.
Got it.
All Great. Now you're gonna take one color and you're gonna add any number of linking cubes to
Like
it.
off the
Yep, we're
Any
gonna do
number?
it. Yeah, you're gonna make 2 towers. So let me give you an example. I'm gonna model kind of what I want you to do. Let's say I have a pink and a green. I want everyone to hold up their number 4 card. Okay, that's the number. Yep, that's a number that we want to match. Okay, so that means we should only have how many linking cubes? 4. But I want you to use 2 different colors to make 4. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to make 6. So I need eyes and ears up here so we're watching so we know what to do. So let's say my number is 6, okay? I'm going to take, let's say I have green. I'm going to use 2 green linking cubes, and then I'm going to use, say I want to get to 6 though, and I want to use 2 different colors. So I'm going to go 1, 2, then I'm going to go 3, 4, 5, 6.
I can please have your
Okay.
attention.
Just 1 second.
We are now going to participate in the shakeout, the Washington earthquake drill.
What's an earthquake?